Adding fuel to the fire. Aggravating the problem. For example, she was just adding fuel to the fire telling Tom's mom about his health. When pigs fly. When something uncanny or impossible happens. For example, pigs would fly if you cooked. Curiosity killed the cat. Asking too many questions or involving too much in other people's affairs will get you into trouble. For example, it is better we don't dig more into this case. Curiosity killed the cat. The best of both worlds. Good in every way. For example, having my best friend is the best of both worlds. Burn bridges. Do something to spoil relationships. For example, Susan did not realize she would be burning bridges when she took up the job. The whole 9 yards. Refer to everything that is there. For example, he has to sell the whole 9 yards if he wants to buy that house. Grass is greener on the other side. Never being satisfied with what one gets. For example, for her, grass is always greener on the other side. Every dog has its day. Everyone gets a chance. For example, do not worry about it. Every dog has his day. Today, it is his. Counting your chickens before they hatch. Expecting good results before something is done. For example, she started counting her chickens before they hatched. That will only disappoint her. I hope she understands. Go down in flames. To fail terribly. For example, everything went down in flames when we lost the lottery.